My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Jaguar I-Pace. It is a fully electric vehicle and has done 42,000 miles. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control, cruise control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the interface, we have features such as navigation, cameras, eco data, Apple CarPlay, and within My EV you can access your charge and range. We also have heated seats, which we can control with the dials to the left and right, and a variation of driving modes, so comfort, eco, rain, ice and snow, and dynamic. As we approach the back of the vehicle, you can see the cream leather interior, which is a nice contrast with the black dashboard, and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.